Hey guys and gals, this is your boy JR, aka Lomo Bushcraft. I just wanted to show off this new item I got. It's called the pour over method, and basically it comes with a real, I'm gonna unbox it here. So I just wanted to show you guys the components of it. And this method of making coffee is called the pour over method. And look at that, that's a good looking. Look at that, that's pretty cool. And I think this has been around a long time. Wow, look at that, that's really cool. That is super cool. And I just picked this up. And look at that. So it has directions on the back here. And basically what you do is you put your filter like this, and I bought some Pike Place coffee grounds, and it's got a scoop thing you fill in there. So let me get this out. Ooh, let me see if I can get this out. That's funny. There we go. Comes with its own little scoop. I can get it out. Okay, JR, there we go. So there, cool. Anyways, oh, so that's how it goes. This thing on the end here goes over this right here. And yeah, that's pretty cool because you're not using a paper filter, you're using kind of a permanent filter there instead of a paper filter. And you scoop your coffee grounds. Once you get your coffee grounds in there, you boil some water, and once the bubbles stop, you wait for the water to, when it's not boiled anywhere, I think you wait anyways, you boil the water. And once again, this is called the pour over method. So I would boil the water and then take it off the stove there, and then I think you wait, I don't know, you basically wait for all the boiling to stop, and then once it stops, then you put your coffee grounds here, and then you put the hot water in there, and then basically it drips down to there. This says it makes 8 cups of coffee. And once again, it's called the pour over method. And you put your, it's cool, it comes with a scoop there. And yeah, it's pretty cool. So anyways, I just wanted to show this item off really quick. And I believe this has been around for a while. I just finally came across it. It looks like they give you pretty nice directions here. Cool. So I'll make sure I have to read all these. Oh wow, got directions and other. But anyways, I just wanted to show this off real quick. I'm literally doing this spur of the moment. You guys can tell in the video here. Promises excellent, rich taste and robust aroma. Maintaining natural oils of the ground coffee. And so that's what this is. This is ground coffee. It's medium ground roast coffee. And it does say on here, use medium ground coffee. And so that's what I picked up. I picked up a medium roast ground coffee. And yeah, this should be tastes really, really good. All right, guys and gals, I had the coffee was really awesome. Had a really awesome cup of coffee. And yeah, the Pike's Place roast was awesome. Ground coffee there. So it's ground coffee, medium roast, Pike's Place roast. Little hint of the notes on it says little hint of chocolate and toasted nut. So it's ground coffee. This is the pour method. Each scoop is for 1 cup of coffee, so I did 2 scoops. And earlier in the video you saw me pour, I boiled some water. As soon as I heard the pot start to whistle, I took the kettle off the burner and I let the kettle sit for a little bit. I don't know, I think I let it sit for maybe 3 or 4 minutes. And then after that I started pouring the hot water. And so once again, grabbed 2 scoops because I was gonna have 2 cups of coffee. Spreaded it out really evenly before I poured my water. Then took my kettle and poured the water on top of there. And then after that was done, I removed this. And then you put this little guy in here. And that's what that's for, that little guy there. And yeah, when I was finished having my cup of coffee, I then just pulled this out. I took this off to clean this. And I dumped the coffee grounds into this trash and it cleaned up really well. I love the fact that this is not a, and then when you do put your grounds in here, here's the spout right here. This part right here is gonna go over where the spout's at. This longer part's gonna go over the pour thing. So yeah, it's awesome. You just pour your hot water on top of there and it literally starts dripping down there and making your coffee. So really cool way. So it's the pour method to make coffee. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Really cool. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like the content you see here on the Lone Wolf Bushcraft YouTube channel, please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care, everybody. Later, Gators.